it's time to grind on the Ford Ranger. It's been a while since you've seen the channel at all, but I've been in college.
Oh, back to school.
So we're back at it. It's summer break now, so we got a little bit of time to work on this thing, get it ready to race. And first things first, I gotta get it started because we're gonna move it into the shop. Let's see, do we have oil? Oh yeah, we got oil. All right, let's see if she'll crank for good measure. Gonna just give her a little visit from the ether bunny. All right, let's see if she starts. Yeah. Wake up. Nothing. For jumper cables. It's a disaster. Oh, just in case you guys are curious, I am becoming a diesel technician. So, but alas, no jumper cables. God damn it. Got a battery to the tune of $120. Thanks, Trump, for the tariffs. We'll give her just a tad more ether, just for good measure. Now we're gonna see if she'll start. Come on, baby. Hey, not bad. Not bad for sitting for 4 months. It's gotta pull fuel though. Does it? Why no fuel? Why no fuel? Buddha.
Oh, I thought it was a grenade, dude.
Anyways, we've got gas. We spilled a little bit, so it smells delicious in here.
Oh, we're gonna crash the car.
So after taking the fuel pump apart, what I realized was it actually just didn't have gas in it. So, time to see if she'll start on its own fuel supply.
Oh, dude, okay, no, nope, it is exploding everywhere, dude.
Shush, Rhett.
That thing is so trash.
Shush! Shush!
We must fix that first.
No.
Yeah, it'll work.
This starter is no longer going to exist. Oh God.
A few moments later.
A little help from another can of starting fluid and a little bit of injector cleaner. We've got it running pretty well. I don't think it's fully idling on all the cylinders, but once you get it revved up, it does run pretty nicely. So it's running now, let's go. Okay, it's running pretty good. It's still not perfect. I think it's still missing on a cylinder or two.
Oh, there's water pouring everywhere.
Oh, you have brakes.
They worked pretty good. Yes, nice in the face.
The check engine light turned off. Yay!
Oh my gosh, that's incredible.
Oh, turn back on.
Nah.
It's fine. Oh,
Huh.
it got super. Okay, the thermostat is probably just stuck open because it just like got super cold again.
Definitely stuck.
Oh, it
with
just cleared up a little bit too. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Blinkers work.
Wow.
No way.
That's
crazy.
amazing. Sam trying to start her second here.
Dude, she runs.
This is pretty good.
It's pretty not bad. I'm gonna avoid the dirt because it doesn't have a.
Yeah, the air filter is gone. This car's wondering like what the.
Okay, nothing too alarming yet. I say yet confidently that something will go wrong.
What?
Died.
It died?
It's died.
No, what?
It's got enough coast power to get back, probably.
Why did it die?
I don't know.
Ah, whatever.
I don't know why it died. That was weird.
Yeah. It sounds awesome though.
It does sound really good.
Launch control on. Oh.
Died again. Something's like not quite right with it. It's like it.
We need to put the air intake tube back on. Nice. The glasses! No!
It drove fine. Now, second. It died again. I don't know what.
Work on getting some window nets mounted, and Rhett's over there making some gussets, so we're just gonna get started. So now
We've got nice window nets. They fit surprisingly good. I didn't end up having to like do anything crazy. They just ended up being stretchy enough that they worked on the Ranger. So I'm very happy about that. Rhett is finishing up some gussets.
That one's still sitting
The
there.
roll cage. Yeah, there's a gusset. Yeah, we're just starting to do some gussets on all the major joints. So we'll get that done next. And moving right along.
So dirty.
See, we've got some gussets in place. Rhett made me the gussets and they fit beautifully. Thank you very much, Rhett. The last thing I'm gonna do in this video is to run a couple bars horizontally like this so that we can mount our harnesses to them. And you guys have seen me do enough tube work, so I'm just gonna throw you up on my tripod on a time lapse and we'll get some harnesses mounted.